hello. Where might Eddy's adventures take you today? We're about to find out. What do I think? What do I think? What do I think? Doesn't exactly smell too good in here. It smells like maybe somebody was... Oh shoot, I forgot my... I always forget something, and it's usually that. Oh well. I forgot my thing to tell me what the temperature is in this room. Oh well. Sleeping like a rock star. Oh shit. Sleeping like a rock star. Sleeping like a rock star. Sleeping like a rock star. Okay, so here is the room. Oh, here's my stuff. Only one night. I worked today, so I am going to be needing a shower quite soon. Let's see. I'm gonna have to make this room code because it was actually warmer today than usual. This is where all the buildings are for Tempe. Look at that. Can't even really see the top of the Waffle House sign. There it is. Oh, you can see the sign out there. Thought this was a room tour though, so let's get to it. Let's see here. Got a little place to chillax right here if I don't want to go into the bed. Got that refrigerator and micro, that's good. Oh, what do you know? They have a CV1 coffee maker here too. My last place had a CV1. And they probably had that cafe valet business as well. Oh, look, the clock radio is probably unplugged. That's okay. It's actually okay because I brought my HD radio. Let's see. So I could play with that a little bit later. In fact, I'm going to be using it when I take a shower. So I guess I can just prop it up over here. But anyway, so this is the bathroom, or the sink area. Stuff I'm not really going to be using. Is that a dead ant on my towel? Guess I better not use that towel. And this is the Ramada. I kind of expected a little bit better from the Ramada, but well, I guess it's okay. Say hello to saving water and energy. Say hello to Red. Well, I guess that concludes the room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe I could do some kind of review after this stay. This was a pretty last minute thing. I was actually hoping to stay east of here, but Priceline had other ideas for me. So they stuck me here in Tempe, but the thing is, Phoenix is really close to here. And I used to live not too far. I mean, because I used to live in Ahwatukee. And I just went to the Fry's. This right here is Baseline. And I went to the Fry's. If you just keep heading to the left, which is west, you'll get to a Fry's that is basically on the border between Tempe and Phoenix. And I've shopped there before, back when I used to work at the main post office around here. Oh, room service? I wonder if they actually offer it. No, they don't have breakfast, just coffee, but at least it's 24/7 coffee according to them. I need to stop looking at this. It's going to get me hungry. Come on, a 12-inch pizza for $19? Come on. Served on a hand-tossed New York-style crust, made with homemade sauce and mozzarella cheese. Except the barbecue chicken pizza. Ooh, they got Hatch green chilies. I wonder how those chilies taste. Okay, anyway, I guess that's it for the room. Pretty decent size television. Nice little thing right there, whatever you call that. And of course the bathroom right there. Ooh. All right, enough fun. I'm tired and I need to take a shower. So hope you enjoyed the video and stuff. You have a good one. Okay, bye now.